Hi, David, DRD allotments. It's Tuesday, another day down at the allotment. More work to be done, basically tidying up and all that, get ready to get the plants in as the soil gets warmer. So I'll take you on a quick tour of what we've done so far and give you an idea of what we're going to be doing next. Then I'll see if I can film that. So I'm going to change cameras over and I'll show you around. So back at a tick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, we've done this. Some strawberries in there. I'm going to put flowers in these pots, and hopefully today we're going to do this side. Was going to put the pond there, but we've changed our mind. So I'm going to get some more membrane and do this side. Weeded in between there. Now down here, we've weeded in that here. This is getting ready to put seeds in, just need a quick turning over. It's the same with these back beds, but we're going to leave these longer before we put anything in because they don't get as much sun. We've still got these 3 beds to open up. There's peas in there, and there's strawberries in there. So I've put some sticks in, so hopefully we're going to put some netting over. And rhubarb's starting to come up. So that's going to use for down at the bottom. And we've got that piece to tidy up. So I'll show you what we've done when we've done it. So back soon. Okay, this is what we've done today. The weed membrane down on the other side. Fill them pots full of soil. Put the hens in. As you can see, we've got hens and a cockerel. These are now filled with soil, ready to get flowers in. And nothing else really. That's what we've done. As you can see in there, I've got plants growing in there. So that's what's in there. On the other side, we potatoes. Gillian's just tidying, putting the stuff away in the shed because we're going to go now. So still got these 3 beds to open up, and we've still got all that to tidy up. But I don't know when that's going to happen. We've took a lot of the soil out of there and used in them pots. So there's a shot from this way up. So thank you for watching, and next time I'm down, do another video. So catch you later. So DRD allotments signing off. Bye for now.